After install the label and adjust the heightness, we just need to adjust this bar forward and backward to make sure the position is right for the label on the photo. Then after that, we should turn on the machine by the power button. And when the machine screen turning on, we can see that we should adjust the sensor position and the sensitive. So make sure when the bottle passes, the sensor will sense the bottle. How to adjust? We should adjust the position up and down by this screw to loose, and up and down by forward and backward, just to make sure when one bottle passes, the sensor will sense once. When the sensor senses the bottle, the right light of here, it will be on. Now let's test the machine. Firstly, we just let it start auto. The emergency stop button should be turned off. Now start. Put the label, put the bottle here. Let's see the position. Good. Yeah, again. If you wanted to label to change another place, you can move the sensor position. Also, you can use another way to set the delay of out, so that can change the position. Let's try to move it a little forward to right side, a little right side. Then it will label a little up. See the difference? A little up. A little up. Let's move more. Let's just see that how it can be more up. If you want to label it to more downside, it's going down, much down. So it's downside. Also, you can set the number here. When you set this means when the sensor senses the bottle, after how many seconds it will send a label. So you can change here. Also, you can move here, because when you move it here, it's the same things. So let's see. Give let the sensor sense my finger. Sense one, label one. Sense one, label one. So different bottle, you need to adjust, change the label. Same road, change this well upside down. Make sure the label is on the one road. very strict. Move these black small parts and make sure the label is coming back in this circle, and make sure the road is right. And when you need to set, just set it here. All the details, let's try it later. And also, this is a speed control of this build. This also will affect the label position, because when it moves faster, the sensor sense it will be much earlier. When it moves slow, the sensor will sense it more later.